Hello everybody, it's Rhonda and I want to show you this little vignette that's in my craft room. I've had it up here for a while, so I just thought I'd do a close-up shot of it. But just some little birds that I got from Michael's. This little bird back there was from, I think, Dollar General. That little bird nest came from the beach last year. And then I have just some random bird houses that I have collected over the years. And this right here is a little shelf that's made out of a little fence that I have the bird houses on. And I have been inspired by secondhand Tracy and this and that with Denise Jordan. They do a lot of little videos of little vignettes that you can put in your house. So I have been doing that lately. So I want to thank those two ladies for the inspiration. Again, my little bird house and bird vignette. I hope you all have a great day, and I will talk to you later.